Sally, get up. I'm popping out. I've left a note. What? Oh, I've lit a fire. Could you keep an eye on it? Dear Sally, our communal areas consisting of kitchen, bathroom, hallway and living room necessitate some cooperation between us to ensure harmony in the household. I am afraid that your level of mess in these areas has reached an unacceptable level, and as such I have been forced to act. Please note the large box in front of you which contains said mess. Please place it somewhere in the house which does not constitute a communal area. One day you will appreciate that there is no such thing as a free lunch. Yours sincerely, Jeremy.
No such thing as a free lunch. Fortunately, every household contains an overhead file labelled pending. Come on, box.
Hello. Good evening, I'm the Hammerfor man, and I live in a box. Crazy, eh?
I should say thank you, O Master, for rousing me from my eternal slumber, but I'm not much for fawning. Besides which, I threw off the shackles of serfdom millennia ago. However, you do get a wish. A wish?
That's right! One free wish!
What's it to be? Worldly riches? A sexual extravaganza? Power? Greed? A pair of Odeon tickets? Or the talents of David Ginola?
Oh, the talents of David Ginola, please. All right.
Now then, you've had your wish, and I suppose you think it's back in the box for Mr. Hammerfor, man. Thank you, Mr. H. Now, back in your box. Another 50-year nightmare in royal blue velvet and Ron Seal's wood stain. Oh! Don't I have a chance to play? Have a little fun?
Well,
I know. A riddle. That'll pass the time. Let's take my name. So I say, metaphor, semaphore, Hammerfor. And you say...
what's a hammer for?
Banging in nails. And I do exactly what it says on the tin. Say ah! Ah!
Sorry, mate. Did you get my note?
Ah, your fastidious housemate. Back in the tick. Now that's what I call craftsmanship.
It's back in the box for you, Hammerhead.
And what are you going to do with that? Sorry about the mess.